Hi, welcome to this video where I will tell you and compare two platforms, that is Wix and Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, Wix is a platform that that is used by, we recommend Shopify over Wix for small businesses and brand conscious entrepreneurs. Shopify scores 4.8 out of 5 in our 2023 research. And Wix is still a brilliant website builder to choose, scoring an equal 4.8 out of 5. Its strength lie in its user-friendly experience and the high level of creative control. Although for Shopify, the builder is ideal for growing online stores, offering tons of powerful sales tools and third-party integrations and scalable plans. So for quick comparison, Wix edit the front end of your Wix website couldn't be easier, especially with its drag and drop editor. But its editor can look overwhelming to total beginners. Although Shopify is easy to use, particularly when managing your inventory, but for minute details, it can be rather clunky. Now, if we talk about design functionalities, over 800 plus beautiful templates, which are really simple to edit, but you can switch them themes once your site is live. In Wix, although in Shopify offers templates designed purely for helping you sell online. Now, for pricing and value for money, the winner is Wix, that it can build a store for free while paid plans are affordable and feature rich. Although Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, and for larger stores, advanced features can be worth the higher cost. Now, for product and inventory features, winner is Shopify, that the market in which the market's best sales features, including excellent built-in analytics and inventory management tools, are almost seen. Although Wix let you sell physical, digital, and service products, but overall has pretty simple sale tools. Now, in marketing features, it's a tie between both of them. Wix has an outstanding marketing feature. All the features, particularly with blogs and Wix, give users access to a suite of strong SEO tools. Although in Shopify, it is great for social media integration and SEO, and there are plenty of third-party marketing apps to browse. Now, if we talk about app stores, the winner is Shopify. Shopify has an excellent app store with endless e-commerce integrations to help boost your site's sales. Although in Wix, it is a huge app store but offer less e-commerce specific integrations than Shopify. Now, if we talk about security winner, Wix comes with free SSL Level 1 PCI DSS compliance and built-in security measures on top of that. Although in Shopify comes with the same level of security across all of its plans as Wix, but with added fraud prevention. The PCI compliancy is especially important as you need it to sell and accept online credit and debit payments. Now, for customer support, the winner is Wix. For Wix, email, social media, and phone support, and they also provide an incredibly helpful forum. But in Shopify, they provide 24/7 phone and live chat support, but doesn't have any on-site editor help. So these were the few comparison between Wix and Shopify. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.